Hey, what's up?
What's up?
Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Hi. So today, of course, as all of you guys can see, we have a new person joining our podcast. Just to give you a very good brief about this person, he's a very famous editor of a very famous podcast series on YouTube and Instagram called Pankhi Dukan. So please meet Akash Rao. Welcome, Akash. How does it feel to be on the podcast?
मेरे को अटेंशन पसंद है लेकिन मुझे पता नहीं है कि रिएक्ट कैसे करते हैं अटेंशन मिलता है तो
Do is not just AK on the call, of course, that's amazing. But we also have a premium subscription of Zoom. So
Zoom now.
हाँ,
5,000 का लॉटरी लगा तो ढोल बजाकर पूरे मोहल्ले को बताने की क्या जरूरत है आप भी
Okay, so today on the podcast, we are discussing honest Tinder confessions. Tinder or any date confessions which people have experienced. Let's see. I mean, we can all comment on that. So I will post reading her whole situation. I will ask everyone to, of course, comment. And secondly, do answer if you would have had been in a situation like this, what would you have done? So this is this guy who had been recently chatting with someone on Tinder, and apparently the girl she was meeting, she resembled to Sara Ali Khan in terms of the pictures. Okay, and while swiping people on Tinder, he ended up super liking. So, Priya, for you, just context, because you don't use Tinder. Super liking में क्या होता है? Just to get attention, you can also super like someone. So
the person gets to know कि somebody has liked you.
Liked
it still doesn't work for me.
और वो एक मिलता है दिन का, something like that.
Yeah. So
जैसे मोदी जी राशन बांट रहे हैं
So of course it did not take him much time, and he ended up messaging him. So apparently they had few chats of bantering and flirting on Tinder, and he thought that things are going well, unless she ended up saying that she has been married for the past 5 months and is 6 weeks pregnant.
Wow.
And, well,
The concept of Tinder is gone here, bro.
what?
What can you do if your person is pregnant, bro?
So he actually thought it was a joke, and probably it was a way of her to test him. I don't know on what fucking thing, but apparently he thought that she's trying to test him, and he did continue the conversation for another 2 weeks.
एक सेकंड गगन, this right now ना is the moment जब horror movie में you see somebody ना basement में मत घुस, वही वाला. This is that moment कि अबे मत करिए. Anyway.
And then after 2 weeks, she ended up saying that, listen, I am looking for a sex buddy.
Why is she pregnant?
Why she's pregnant? She's 10.
When has that stopped anybody?
And the guy ended up saying to the entire message, best of luck, and blocked her.
Crazy. Crazy.
अपन रहते हैं सख्ती से, अपन ऐसे पिघलते नहीं है.
पहले तो इस ऐप का नाम बदलो, क्राइम पेट्रोल रखो इस ऐप.
गुमराह.
I wouldn't have had continued the conversation for another 2-3 weeks, thinking that she's trying to test me.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अगर वो प्रेग्नेंट है तो आई एम श्योर शी हैज अ सेक्स लाइफ तो उसको और कितनी चाहिए क्यों ढूंढ रही है?
Maybe it's not a good sex life. Curious, वो बच्चा किसका है? उसके हस्बैंड का ही है या?
वो तो कहानी में
ये तो
I mean, naturally Tinder पे तो पता नहीं चलेगा, but
ये आपको सीजन 17 ऑफ ये रिश्ता कहलाता है पे लोग का.
This thing is happening in Vietnam. Okay, the story where he was staying. and then went on to the local bar. And he goes and sees this girl who he was talking to on Tinder. And it was until there was a break in the music in that place, and he ended up finally hearing that girl's voice. सबसे मजा यहाँ पे आ रहा है कि हम लॉजिक बात कर रहे हैं और आकाश अपने दिमाग में सोच रहे देखो यहाँ कंटेंट है नहीं तो काट दूंगा मैं.
Okay, when you are in a foreign country, don't go looking for sex, don't go looking for drugs, you'll be fine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Very nicely said. Very nicely said.
Dalai Lama.
Basically, don't have fun when you're in a foreign country. No, not like you need sex and drugs to have fun, but what's the most cliched lines you've heard on Tinder? Except not for hookups. Yeah, those who want hookups swipe right.
Psychology student.
Psychology student, I don't read minds. Swipe left if you TYP LYK THS.
ये क्या है?
ये क्या है भाई?
Like swipe left if you type like this.
That I have seen, okay, Bumble मेरे लिए. I'm seeing my friends in it with pictures of me with them.
Oh.
Wow.
Is that damn weird? First of
This
all,
is very creepy.
this is very creepy.
That is Rahul's life for you.
And now,
More weird would be finding your girlfriend with a picture of you on.
Hey,
yeah.
को लेके that could be possible with Rahul. आपको बिल्कुल पता नहीं है.
मेरे लिए Bumble अभी भी वर्किंग करता है क्योंकि a lot of girls still don't know कि they have to text first.
24 घंटे एक्सपायर हो जाते हैं.
24 घंटे बाद अब फिर वो मैच ही चले जाता है.
It's basically they're over flooded with people and they don't know who to text.
मत right swipe करो ना इतना. Don't match with so many
Doesn't it
people.
give you
are
like a
writing
Thompson?
You are swiping right to a lot of boys इसलिए तो आ रहे थे सारे.
इतने सारे मैच हो रहे
तो आप करो रिस्पॉन्ड इतना किया है तो.
हैं. हाँ,
But
मतलब
also,
पंगा लिया है.
don't they tell you, like if you're a woman, if you're just signing up, don't they tell you that you have to text
They-
first,
they do.
buddy?
Yeah.
They do
So
it in
in fact-
multiple ways.
Bumble इसलिए
काफी
चला है.
काफी uneducated लोगों को swipe right करो. ठीक है, रहने दो. बढ़िया था.
Okay, so coming and also to go to the place, she booked the cab. Okay,
हाँ.
and they both were going together. He told him that, you know what, please withdraw some money. We might have to pay at the hotel. So he withdrew some 11,000 rupees. Okay, which I don't know. That's what he wrote.
अमीर लोग.
Yeah, then she asked me midway to the hotel to get half of the money out of the ATM, and she said that the rent is $11,000 and that I should fetch 5,500 rupees because of his share. And उसने ऐसे ब्रैकेट में $100 अप्रॉक्स लिखा है, तो मेरे को पक्का लग रहा है किसी फिरंग का कटा है. ठीक है, इंडिया में. So and he's like, I came back to the SUV after fetching the money. Now, this apparently he was like, he has mentioned some unnecessary details also, that I used to go to gym. She touched my biceps and said that, oh, you go to the gym, and all that conversation is happening. Now, the car goes into the hotel. The guy gets out of the car, and the girl says that, okay, I am coming in 2 minutes. And he went and stood in the waiting room. उसके बाद वो आधा घंटा वेटिंग रूम में रहा. ना लड़की आई, ना ड्राइवर आया, ना कोई आया.
तुम्हारे सामने से निकल जाऊंगा और पहचान नहीं पाओगे.
कट गया यार उसका पूरा
So
एकदम.
They left with. और ये टिंडर डेट पे क्यों? उसको सच्चा प्यार हो गया था. सॉरी, हाँ, टिंडर चैट.
सच्चा प्यार हुआ है. Driver in this situation was also involved. So there was never a Uber booked. That was her. She booked.
Yeah.
Boys, next time you go on a date like this, please book your own Uber.
Yes.
Please. Twists and
राहुल
plots and turns.
राहुल वो तो अपनी गाड़ी में I am a bounce हो गई.
I'm a bounce. There were red flags right from the start. ठीक है कि टिंडर चैट पे प्यार हो गया भाई को.
यार उसको प्यार हुआ था ब्रो, वो सोच नहीं पा रहा
उसको
था.
प्यार.
I think
Oh, अच्छा.
लेकिन उसने बाइसेप्स भी तो छुए थे. वो पता क्यों नहीं चला?
also Rakesh,
The detail that got left out to like, I mean, supply demand का वो सीन है कि like बंदों ने जाके भसड़ मचा रखी है टिंडर पे. हर दूसरा बंदा बैठा हुआ है. And they'll right swipe on any woman.
Half of these guys have written these experiences to bloody take a revenge from those girls. Already been 15 days, so I said yes. I took her to a movie later that night after dinner. She said, let's go to let's go to my place, and I said yes. And in brackets, he mentioned biggest mistake I ever did. Then she came to my apartment, and one thing led to the another. So after everything happened, she goes and opens the door, and and while opening, the way which she went to the door, it seemed like she was expecting someone, and a muscular guy was standing on my door. He comes inside the apartment. They both sat me down, told me that if I don't give them 1 lakh rupees right now, they are going to call police and press rape charges against me. I started cold sweating, and I didn't know what to do, who to call, and he gave 40,000.
ऑब्सेशन और धोखे की तलवार पर टिके इस तरह के रिलेशंस इंसान को सिर्फ बर्बादी की ओर धकेलते हैं। और शायद ऐसे रिश्तों के भंवर में फंसे हुए लोग भी इस बात को अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं कि आज नहीं तो कल ये रिश्ता खत्म होने ही वाला है। ऐसे हालात में बेहतर यही है कि वक्त रहते इंसान सतर्क होकर अपने जज्बात को काबू में रखकर अपने कदम पीछे हटा ले।
अच्छा, हमें सतर्क रहना है।
Oh my god.
He explained this situation to my best friend, and he told me that if I told police, and the so-called best friend of this guy told her, police को बता के कोई फायदा नहीं है, and you can even lose your job. I don't know why. It's been 2 years since that incident. I don't trust anyone. I hate relationship. Laws for men are miserable.
I hate relationship.
You learned something from my story. Beware of traps.
and he lost 1 lakh rupees only.
Oh.
Tinder chat पे you've never met the person, you hardly know the person, and तुम्हें सच्चा प्यार हो गया है।
हो जाता है यार, लोगों को हो जाता है bro.
एलन ने फिर राहुल से आर्ग्यू, और ये कौन से बेवकूफ बेस्ट फ्रेंड रख रखे हैं जो कह रहे हैं पुलिस के पास मत जाओ। क्या तुम अकल से पैदल, तुम्हारे दोस्त अकल से पैदल।
And the last story on Tinder experience, date experiences was very nice. He said that I have the worst Tinder experiences because I don't have any matches.
He joined the clan, bro.
म्यूजिक
बट ये बंदा सेफ है, इसके 1 लाख रुपए कहीं नहीं गए हैं, इसका वो 5,500 कहीं नहीं गए हैं। He does not have any of those scary ass experiences, किसी बाउंसर टाइप आदमी से नहीं मिला, he is safe.